Hey there guys, I'm Imanshu and welcome to Filmora music video editing series, where I'm gonna teach you some amazing stuff. So in this episode, we're gonna learn this effect. Okay, so to create an audio spectrum, you need to download an application known as AVI Player. Link to download is in the description box below. I'm using the Windows 10 version here. It is available for both iOS and Android also. Okay, so once downloaded, simply open any music using the AVI Player. Okay, now once the music is open and starts playing, then simply click on this icon and it will take you to the visualizer screen. Here you can see this default visualizer. Now, if you click on this grid dot icon, then it will show you these multiple type of visualizers. So now simply select any one of it. You can see that our visualizer here is on the default settings. So if we click on this pencil icon here, then we can also customize the visualizer too. We can do stuff like changing the background image, or we can put our own logo or text images into the middle if we want. Okay, so I will not go into much details on customizing this. I will make a video on the customizing AVI Player soon. So now, once our visualizer is ready, then simply click on this download icon here, and then it will ask you to choose an export setting. Okay, now choose the best export setting and it will export it into a video. Now, once the export is done, simply open your Filmora. Once inside of Filmora, import the visualizer video and then put it on the timeline. And now you can add other stuff like track details and titles and other stuff too. Customizing here is your choice. And now our visualizer is done. Just simply export this into a video. So guys, in the next video, so do like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell to get notified when I upload this next video, and I will see you later.